Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. In today's video we have a very heavy, intense, sexy, smoky eye going on, and I'm living for this lip color. So if you want to know how I created this look, then you know what to do. Let's start. I already did my brows. I applied an eye base. This is a different eye base than what I usually use. I'm not even sure if this is expired or not, but I use the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot on my eyes today. Talking about taking risks, I have a little eye infection right there. You can't even see it, but it hurts so bad. I feel like the smallest things really hurt. I'm not allowed to wear makeup for 2 weeks, but that ain't gonna happen. And if something happens to my eye, you'll see me on Friday without no makeup, maybe doing a mask video, something like that. I haven't done a smoky eye, but like a really good smoky eye with matte shades and dark shades in forever. I'm going to use this Lawless The One palette. Last time I used this, I really loved it. And I think I'm going to start, I'm not even sure how to do a smoky eye. Do we start from like with the black and then go in with, yeah, I think I'm going to start from down upwards. Or upward, no, I don't know. Let's start from the eyelid. I'm going to use the black shade. I hope this is black enough. This is Plunge. And the brush that I'm going to use is this beautiful brush from Nabla. This is Soft Dab and Smudge Brush. So since we are going to work with very dark colors, I haven't done my base yet. So I'm not blending anything. I'm just dabbing the color into the eyelid, like we're really pressing. Be patient with this if you want your eyeshadow to look really intense. So it doesn't matter if it's smudgy. I just want to make sure that I covered this part right here, because later on we're going in with concealer, so you can just clean everything up. It doesn't matter if you look like a panda. You should look like a panda. But I'm going to do the other eye as well, and then we're going to start blending bit by bit. Don't get like scared, because you have to trust the process, everything. Process. Okay, once we did this, I am not going to get any eyeshadow on my brush. This is the Precision Soft Crease Brush from Nabla. As you can see, I have almost no fallout. The paint pot is actually an amazing base. The eyeshadow is amazing, and the brush is amazing as well. And if you like really dab it instead of like blend it, you are not really going to have any fallout. Just in case, it always looks fresher if you do your base afterward. Really tiny circles. I'm just going to blend the edges. So only the edges. And this is going to take forever, but just take your time with it until it looks really nice and smoky. So smoky eye is not difficult at all, but you just need to be patient. Okay, put on some music, vibe to it. Don't forget to drink your water, get a snack, but just take your time with this. If the paint pot was a little bit warmer, I wouldn't have to go in with a warmer shade, but since this is going to look very pale in comparison to the rest of my skin, I am going to use a tiny bit of this complicated color right there, just a touch with the same brush, and I'm going to place it right underneath my brows. Now everything looks blended. I'm going to do the other eye as well, and maybe just later on blend it a little bit more. Depends on how the base looks. But yeah, let me do the other eye. I want to say real quick, but it's just going to take a few minutes. So now I'm going in with my favorite concealer, Born This Way in Natural Beige. I'm going to clean this up. I think I'm just going to leave the under eye area blank, which I usually never do. But I saw it on a model and I was like, oh, it looked so good. Especially she had like really bright eyes. But maybe, I don't know, I think this is going to look a little bit more intriguing, interesting. So it depends on what shape you would like to go for. You can just like create maybe like a more cat eye. It is going to give you a lifted look. You can do it more like elongated. It's going to make your eyes look longer. I think I'm going for somewhere between. So not too straight, but also not too high. So I'm just going to apply it as I normally would apply concealer. Let me get my mirror. And if you mess this up, you mess up. There's no way back. Yeah, that looks good to me. Okay, I'm going to use this mini beauty blender, which is not wet. I'm too lazy to make it wet, honestly. But, okay, so I'm just blending it with a dry beauty blender. For foundation, I'm going to mix these two. This is actually a Body and Face Glow from Melanie Mills and in Ahoot Gold. And the foundation I'm going to use is from Summer Kusami in Divine Matte in SK40. Going to use this 3D Kabuki brush from Sigma. I applied a little bit too much. Looks a little bit too light, but I'm going in with a darker contour later on. I'm also going to use this new Natasha Denona Transfix Matte Concealer. This is in shade Neutral Yellow, just to make it a little bit lighter. And what I love about this concealer, you have to blend it pretty fast. But what I really love about it is that you don't have to powder it. So it doesn't look creasy at all. Earlier I said I was going to leave this area a little bit more blank. But now I'm like, I don't know, it looks weird. So I'm going in with this ColourPop cream gel liner in Swerve. And I'm just going to place it on my waterline and see what happens. I'll see if I'm going to make it really, you know, thicker and drag it down. I'm going to blend this with my Nabla Lash Line Smudger brush. I do feel like I need a tiny bit of more warmth, so I'm going in with the shade Complicated, that shade right there, and still using the same brush. And go under this shadow. Now I'm going to add some color to my face because I look like a ghost. I'm going in with this Butterscotch Overachiever Concealer from Huda Beauty. And I'm not sure if this is a good shade. Let me check first. Maybe this will look a little too warm. Okay, this will do. I know it's warm, but I need some warmth, okay? Do you guys listen to, I don't know how to pronounce her name, Mahalia? Oh my God, I'm addicted to her songs. It's Mahalia. It's really, really, really good. If you like Ella Mai, Jhené Aiko, you know, that type of songs, you will love it. Am I being too stubborn? Is this too warm? I think it's too warm. This is way too warm. I actually knew it, but I was just too stubborn. Okay, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. In that case, I'm going in with Honey. Born This Way concealer in Honey. You see that? It's way more light, more ashy, like this. I'm also going to contour my nose with this because it looks way more natural. Okay, take two. Okay, that looks way better. I do like the warmth on my forehead. Like that. I actually like it. Mixing those two, I do like it. Luckily, I really like my base. It was a little bit of a, do we still have to trust the process moment. For highlighter, I'm going to use one of my favorite highlighters. I have to use it way more often. This is the Artist Couture highlighter in Sex Posé. It's a beautiful, but like beautiful rose gold color with amazing tiny bits of shimmers in it. Love it. And since everything is matte, I want my highlighter to look bomb, you know. Look at that. Oh my God, glass skin, hell yeah. A little bit on my forehead. Oh, I don't want to accentuate you. For blush, I will be using the Harper Blossom Blush from Nabla Cosmetics. I'm using a lot of Nabla today, but their products are really, really good and super surprised, especially the brushes are so detailed. Love it. I'm going to use Morphe M509 brush to apply this. Right there. For lips, I'm going to use a nude color. This is MAC Strip Down Lip Pencil. I said that very like with Dutch accent. Pencil. My lips are so dry. And I have a new birthmark and it's such a black one. Like it's so extremely black. I thought it was like a mascara dot or something like that. It's so black. I wish it was like a little bit more here or maybe there. I'm going to use two lipsticks. These are Too Faced lipsticks. And one is in the shade Sex on the Peach and the other one is Doll Face. Love the formula. I love their nude shades. They're one of my favorite lipsticks. So first I'm going in with this one. Now I'm going in with Doll Face. This is a very nude color. So I'm just going to mix those two. I'm going to apply some mascara, add some lashes, and then I'll be right back to do some posing and stuff and show you the end result. So there you have your finished look. It's super dramatic, but it's not like, I would still wear it. Like, it's not like all over the place. It's just really intense and very dramatic, but still, I don't know, still glam. One thing that I would advise you if you're going to a party, you want to recreate this look, I would powder the MAC Paint Pot because I didn't do that and I am creasing a little bit. It's super hot right here. I just want to give you that. I've used Tati Lashes in TL number 4, Stellar Lash Mascara, which is absolutely amazing from BH Cosmetics. And then I set everything with the Continuous Setting Mist from Morphe. Yeah, and that is pretty much it for this tutorial. I absolutely love it. It's intense, sexy, and yeah, I love it. I hope you guys like it too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you didn't. Leave me a comment and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.